So you got to ask yourself, what's happening with NASDAQ? You've seen the bank failures, you've seen the news articles, you've seen that prices on houses have gone down, all kinds of crazy stuff. Why is NASDAQ still rising, and why is this one of the strongest starts to any NASDAQ year in history? Like, why is this going on? What's happening? First things first, I do believe that we are going to retrace, okay? Price is overbought. There's a couple things telling us that, but we're very overbought. For one, our naked eye can see we're overbought because after we bounced off of the 200-day moving average, we shot straight up. We cleared this resistance. And we're also seeing that we're overbought on the RSI, MACD. Any of these indicators are all stochastics. They're all going to tell you the same thing. It's overbought. Here's another little trick you can do. Higher high being formed on price action. RSI, MACD, any of these indicators are going to show divergence. Okay, now what this means is you have discrepancy. You have higher highs on price action and you have lower highs on the RSI or MACD. What that tells you is that price is due to reverse as well. Another thing I want to mention, man, you guys have got to get funded. 10% off. Use discount code CLARITY on claritytraders.com. A lot of people already have passed phase one. A lot of people are going to be funded traders of $100,000, $200,000, $300,000. Super cheap prices, already the cheapest in the game. Add the 10% discount code, and you're actually going to have even cheaper prices. It's just ridiculously cheap, too cheap. We're also doing 95% profit split for your first account. 90% is just our average. That's where we start at, but we're doing 95% right now. So get funded today. You do not want to miss out. Trust me, guys. It is an insane opportunity. This discount code is going to be gone soon. And trust me, it's time to get funded. It's going to make your life completely different. Now, if we look back at price, okay, overall, we were in this channel all through 2022. Okay, it started at the end of 2021, and 2022 we were in this channel. This channel stopped. We're no longer a part of this channel. That's why I have it drawn like this. We are now creating a new channel. So what I need to see price do, one of two things, really. If price is going to continue to bounce off resistance zones like this, well, I have a target one for right here. I think price can easily hit that zone if we're going to consistently go bullish. Another zone that we could kind of see come into play is up in here. Now, this is really pushing it. This is an extreme bullish run if that happens, but it is very possible because we have seen so much bullish movement. Now, what I want to see on the bear side, which I've just been assuming we're going to drop soon, which we still haven't, it's just a break of this channel. And now we have a long way to go. We have major pips that we have to fall just to actually break this channel. I also want to see it break below the 200-day moving average and break through this major support zone. Now, I have to see all of those things happen for me to consider this a very bearish market. Now, if I see other signs, maybe we break back below this, we start to fall. I'll take short positions. But overall, for this to become a bearish market, also known as that recession that everyone's talking about, I want to see all of these things occur. Now, for target number one on the bearish end, I'm going to be looking for, take profits around this zone. Now, if we're really in a deep recession, then we could see price spike down to these zones here. And if the world just goes to complete shit and falls apart, we're at war and things are just horrible, well, then this is a pretty decent zone right here we could fall to. Now, falling to a zone like this, in my mind, is 0.0005% chance. Falling to this zone, I think it's a lot more accurate. And then falling to this zone down here, maybe a little bit in between these two zones, I think that's a good chance we do that. But again, falling down into this zone, I don't think it's going to happen, but it is possible. Of course, anything's possible. But as of right now, with where we're at in the market currently, I'm just playing it by ear. I'm playing it by vision. I'm watching the market. I'm seeing what's happening. Right now, I do think we're going to have a retracement. I think I'm going to take a lot of short positions this week in the signal room. But other than that, man, we're just going to have to play it by ear and watch it. It's been exciting, but it's been crazy. It's been up, it's been down, but it's been very up, unexpectedly, I should say, too. So we'll see what happens, guys. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Again, as of right now, I do think we're going to retrace back down a little bit. And then from there, we're either going to break or we're going to continue back up again. But we'll see what happens, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow after we take a few trades.